Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. Here I am with pattern 11 that I have used in my blanket, and I have used Beige powder color Hobby Store Special DK yarn from Magic Needles, and its color code is 5002. This is the pattern I have used for my 11th stitch in my blanket. And this is the 11th pattern that I have used here in the blanket. This pattern requires multiples of 4 plus 1 stitches or multiples of 4 plus 2 chains if you begin as an individual project. To begin with, we have 302 DCs in our blanket, and I have 34 DCs done for my sample swatch or sample workout and showing. So in both of them I have one extra stitch. That one extra stitch I am going to adjust in the very first row. That is, every odd row I am going to adjust by making one DC to start with in the edge stitch. So let me begin the pattern. Place one standing twisted DC. So I have my 34 DCs done already, and in the next place single crochet and 2 chains. Then place 4 double crochets in the same stitch here. Skip the next 3, place one single crochet in the 4th one, chain 2, place 4 more double crochets in the same stitch here, we are not chaining anything extra. So again skip 3 stitches. That is 3 DCs of the previous row, and the 4th one place one single crochet, chain 2, because in the forthcoming rows we are going to work in this chain 2 space only. That is why we are making single crochet and chain 2 spaces. Again make 4 double crochets in the same stitch. This is the pattern here. Skip 3. The 4th one single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets all in the same stitch. This is the pattern repeat. So repeat the pattern till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. Since you have adjusted the first stitch here, we are left with only 4 stitches here as required. Now work the last 4 DCs in the stitch. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last one, place one single crochet. Turn your work. Place your standing twisted double crochet on this very first stitch here. Place 2 DCs in the same stitch. Skip the next 4 DCs. Place one single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets in this chain 2 space here. Skip the next 4 DCs. In the chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets in the chain 2 space here. skip the next 4. This is the pattern repeat. Skip the 4 DCs. In the chain 2 space, work single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets, all in the same chain 2 space. This is the pattern repeat. Repeat till the end. I shall meet you at this particular end here. We have come to the end of row 2 here. Place one single crochet in this chain 2 space and a single crochet here in the very last stitch. And turn your work. Place a standing double crochet in the very first one. We have one extra stitch here, so here we make 3 double crochets. The rest is the same. Skip 4 DCs, single crochet, chain 2, 4 DCs in the chain 2 space, skip the next 4, single crochet, chain 2, 4 DCs in the next, not in the next, in the same chain 2 space. So this is a pattern repeat. Skip 4 in the chain 2 space, work single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets, all in the same chain 2 space. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at this end here. We have come to the end of the row. Place single crochet in the very last stitch. I'm going to stop the pattern here for the blanket. The next row I'm making chains in order to place our DCs. So turn your work, make your standing DC here. Chain 3, single crochet in the 4th DC, chain 3, single crochet in the 4th DC, chain 3, single crochet in the 4th DC, chain 3, single crochet in the 4th DC. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. We've come to the end. Chain 3 and place your last double crochet on the last stitch here. So ideally I'll be having 8 chain 3 spaces on my swatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in the blanket I'll be having 75 chain 3 spaces. So very simple. Now end the pattern with a DC row. Turn your work. Make your first or the end standing twisted double crochet, and in every chain 4 space place 4 double crochets. So don't place any stitch on the SCs. Make 4 double crochets in each of the chain spaces. So I will have 32 plus 2 at 1 at each end, so 34. In the blanket, 75 multiplied by 4 is 300 plus 2 edge stitches, that is going to give you 302 stitches. So this is how you continue the pattern and finish off with 302 double crochets for the blanket. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video.